Hello guys, I want to show you how to link your Hunter.io account with your CRM. So let's open Hunter.io here and go directly to the dashboard of your official Hunter.io account. And here just click on Integrations on the left sidebar, select your CRM that you want to link. For example, you want to select HubSpot, click on Connect. And here you will be asked to connect your HubSpot account, so choose to log in your HubSpot account here and proceed with sign in or create HubSpot account and grab access to HubSpot, so until that you can successfully link your account here. You can also link your Zoho CRM account or group or Outlook or email, for example. Connect our email. Let's click on our first Gmail account, continue, and hello access, and continue. And this is how to adjust your Gmail account with the Hunter.io. So here it is, guys, and it will tell you the total users of your email storage. It's going to list the emails that are sent and all the queue reporting code you have in your inbox. So this is how to do the linking of CRM with your Hunter.io extension. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.